In this video, I'll show you how to change your PIN code, your password of your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, and also the Air. So what you need to do if you want to do this, well, simply launch the Settings app. If you don't see your settings, just go all the way towards the right side, tap on the top where you see App Library and type Settings. Here we go, Settings, launch this. Usually once you open Settings, you're gonna have this display. Go down. And one of the options should be over here, Face ID and Passcode. Tap on this. You need to input the one that is currently on the phone to change it. And once you're over here, go down. This is about Face ID. This is not the goal of this video. If you go down, over here you have Turn Passcode Off if you don't want any of these, or if you want to simply change it, press Change Passcode. Enter the current one once again, and now enter the new one. Let's say I want, I don't know, this. Use anyway. Retype your new passcode. Wait a few seconds. It's currently doing its thing, and here we go. It has been changed. So this is about it. Let me just show you. If I unlock my phone over here, I can use the new one that I just created. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.